onto our baking sheet. I'm going to take my melted chocolate and we're just going to pour that over the top here. I'm going to pour it in a circular motion so we get like a nice even coat on the outside. And that's just going to run down the sides, completely normal. I'm going to give that a little tap. And we're going to take this over to the freezer. We're going to pop that in the freezer until our chocolate is set. Our chocolate has set. Now we're just going to flip these over. There, we'll just pull these right out. We have our little cups. And place that onto our plate. I'm going to grab my yogurt. Now we're going to start with our white, and we're going to just make little dots. We'll leave this for just a moment. We'll take our vanilla yogurt. We're going to come over here to our raspberries. I'm going to start filling them with our vanilla yogurt. We'll start here in the center. And we're going to take this to the freezer. We'll place this into the freezer to set. Our yogurt-filled raspberries are out of the freezer, and I'm just going to come cover them with my melted chocolate. Just gonna pour that right over. And we're going to come up with my white chocolate, and we're just going to drizzle these. Look at that. Some without chocolate, it's great because it will balance out our dish. Not too sweet and not too chocolatey. Our raspberries are done. They look amazing. I'm going to come over here and start scraping up our little Dippin' dots. They just slide right off. Now we'll just pick this up. This makes it really easy to transfer them over to our bowl. And we'll just put those right in there. We have our dots, we'll add those at the end. We're gonna start placing our chocolate covered raspberries in here. We'll add some that don't have chocolate on them. Just give that a nice balance. Place our last little raspberry here. And our chocolate. Now we have our melted chocolate, and we're just going to pour that directly onto our silicone baking mat. Just going to spread it out like this. I'm going to come back with my spatula, and we're just going to spread it out so we get a nice thin layer. And I'm going to take some freeze-dried raspberries. These are really easy to find. You can find them at any grocery store. They're going to give that really extra flavor and color to our chocolate. Look how beautiful this is. Now, as our chocolate starts to set, we're just going to take our piping tip and we're going to use that. Our chocolate is starting to set, and we're just going to start pressing holes in it. Once our chocolate is set completely, we'll be able to pop these right out. And now we'll leave this to set. Our chocolate is set, and so now we're just going to slowly lift it up and pop out our little chocolate center. And we'll place that right here. I'm going to grab my yogurt. We have our yogurt here, and we're just going to pour this like this. Look at these beautiful colors. We're just going to give this a little tap here. Get that to spread all the way across our pan. Get this all straightened out. We're going to take our chocolate cream. We're going to come place it onto our yogurt. And we're just going to press that in. I have my golden mini Oreos, and we're going to come fill all these little holes with our Oreos. Now we're going to take this to the freezer. We'll pop this in the freezer for half an hour until frozen solid. Our bark is out of the freezer, and now we're going to break it apart. All right, our bark is broken into nice pieces. We're going to take this one. We're going to place our yogurt bark here, and we're going to start adding our dots. We're going to add in our yogurt dots. Just going to grab this. We're going to add a little bit more of our freeze-dried raspberries for that extra pop flavor.